Good morning, student. How are you? Now I am teaching chapter number 4, eating right. Uh, Student, we all are getting our food from the plants. So all human beings and animals, they depend upon plants for their food, and we eat different types of a food, and the main nutrients which are present in the food are, so student, by eating food we are getting different types of a nutrients from the food, and five main nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. So student, in my previous video I explained you carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrate are also known as energy giving food. Carbohydrate is like a sugar which break in the body and form glucose. And now student, what is the role of a glucose? It gives energy to brain and other parts of the body, and through blood it move in the body. So carbohydrates are energy giving food. This we have already discussed in detail in our previous video. Then I explained you fats. Fats are also the nutrient, and these nutrients are present in the food, and student, fats provide us more energy than carbohydrates, and it also keeps our body warm. But if we consume too much of fat, then student, it is not good for our health. The reason is that they are stored in our body under our skin. So student, and what's happened due to consuming more, that is not good for our health, because it gets stored under our skin. And after that I explained you test to confirm the presence of fat. This we have already discussed in our previous video. So student, in today video I explained you proteins. In today video I explained you what are proteins. So student, proteins are also known as body building food of our body. Is it clear? Protein is also known as body building food of our body, and it is very important for the body, because protein is also known as body building food, and it is very important for our body. And from where we are getting this protein? We are getting this protein from the food which we eat in our diet. Is it clear? So we are getting this from the food, and it is very essential for our body. Protein, they are needed for growth and repair of our body. So student, growth, they are needed for growth and repair of our body. Protein is needed for proper growth of bones and muscles. Protein is needed for proper growth of bones and muscles. Is it clear? So student, we need protein rich diet, because food items, because children need more protein in their diet as they are in their growing phase. So student, protein builds our bones and muscles, and it is very essential for the children that they take more protein in their diet, because they are in their growing phase. What does it means? It means that children need protein in their diet. Is it clear? Because it helps us to grow taller, stronger, and active. It means their height is, it means student, children are in growing age, their height is increasing, so their bone also increase, and their muscles. So by eating food which is rich in protein is very important for the children. It build our muscles and bones. Okay, it also repair the damaged cells of the body. Protein also repair the damaged cells of our body. Is it? And most of the nutrients, or you can say protein, we are getting this from the food such as fish, eggs, meat, pulses, the soya beans. These are rich source of protein. These are rich source of protein. As in the children, their height is increasing, so they need more protein in their diet, because protein help in building muscles and bones. Protein help in building muscles and bones. And student, and for if the child, and to increase the height, the body parts, for making the muscles and bone also strong, we take more protein in our diet. We take more protein in our diet. Student, our body uses protein to build and repair tissues. Our body also use protein to make enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. Protein is an important building blocks of bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and blood. Is it clear? Every cell, student, our body is made of very small parts called it cells. Okay, and every cell in the human body contains protein. Is it clear? Our body is made of very small parts called it cells. So student, every cell in the human body contains protein. Student, you need protein in your diet to help your body to repair our damaged cells and make new ones. Okay, if you are taking the diet, protein is a very essential nutrient for us. It repair our damaged cells and make new ones. And student, protein is also important for growth and development in children. Protein is also important for growth and development in children. Protein make up your hair, nails, bones, and muscles. So student, that is the reason we say protein are known as body building food. That is the reason proteins are known as the body building food of our body. Children, those, have you observed that athletes and the people who do gym, they take more protein in their diet to make their bones and muscles strong. People who are doing gym, they take more protein in their diet for making their muscles and bones strong. So student, carbohydrates and fats, they provide us energy, okay, but maximum, as I told you, as our body is made of very small parts called it cells. So these cells, tissues and different organ, for these, for all these we require protein, and we are getting this protein from the food, okay. See, protein rich diet is also very important for the children, because they are growing. What does it mean? It means they become taller. So they need more protein, because protein builds the bones, protein builds the muscles, and for this they need protein rich diet, so that the muscle become strong, so that the muscles and bones become strong and they are more active. Have you observed student, if the children are not getting diet which is rich in protein, then they may suffer from defensive diseases. If there is, so because as that is their growing period, and at that time they need diet rich in protein. Is it clear? Protein makes our immune system strong. Is it clear? The immune system is also made of protein. So student, proteins make the immune system strong and it protect from infections from microorganisms, virus, bacteria, etc. So student, protein is a large nutrient which is found in our food. It performs many functions in the human body and its primary function is to build muscle and repair muscles in our body. So student, for and do you know student, our hairs and nails are made of a protein known as keratin. See, our hair and nails are also made of a protein. That is the reason we say protein are body building food. So, what are the different parts of the body? What are the different parts of the body? For all, we need proteins. For all, we need proteins. Your hair, your nails, your skin, your blood, your muscles, your bones, repairing of damaged cells and forming new cells. All these things are possible by the nutrient protein, and this nutrient we are getting by the food we are eating. By the food we are eating. So student, protein rich diet is very important because our all the body part, our growth, muscles, bones, even our hair, nails, our skin, blood, for all these things we need protein. Is it clear? So student, we need protein in our diet because now student, let discuss some sources of food from where we are getting the protein. Food item such as meat, egg, milk, soya beans, pulses, and fish are rich in proteins. Food item such as meat, egg, milk, soya beans, pulses, and fish are rich in proteins. Now see student, I show you one picture. See, So what are the food items which we are eating and they are rich in protein? This is chicken, milk, egg, fish, cheese. They all are rich source of protein. They all are rich source of protein. So student, all your body parts for the development and for the repair, because our body is made of very small parts called it the cells, and we need, and or for all these parts we need protein. We need protein, nutrient protein. That is the reason we say protein is the body building food. Protein is the body building food. Now, yes, so observe this picture. See, egg, egg pulses. Okay, so these are meat, egg, milk, soya beans, pulses, and fish are rich in proteins. They are rich in proteins. So, maximum parts of the body need protein. Even student, your blood, the color of your blood is what? Red. And due to hemoglobin, and it is also a protein. It is also a protein. So that is the reason protein rich diet is very important. Now see student, now let discuss some fruits in which we get protein. Guavas, avocado, kiwi fruit, blackberries, oranges, bananas. These are the fruits which are rich source of protein. These are the foods which are rich source of protein. Guava, avocado, kiwi fruit you have seen, blackberries, oranges, bananas. They are rich source of proteins. And even you are getting protein in vegetables also. Okay student, broccoli, spinach, peas, cauliflower, sweet corns. So these are rich, these which are rich source of protein. Okay, and broccoli you have seen, its color is green. It's a cabbage and it is green in color, and it is very rich in protein. It is very rich in protein. So student, that is the reason protein is known as the body building food. They are needed for growth and repair of our body, bones, all these things. And even it makes your bones strong, it builds your muscles, it builds your muscles. So that is the reason your mother also, you are in growing phase, and milk is the food that contains all the nutrients. That is the reason we also say milk as a complete diet. It contains all the nutrients. So that is the reason your parents or your mother advise you daily drink 1 or 2 glass of milk. Is it clear, student? So all the body, our body parts, all our body parts, for their development and for their growth, we required protein. We required protein. Is it clear? That is reason protein is a very important nutrient. Okay, thank you, student.